Hi everyone, I hope all is well. Today we are going to start HTML to WordPress using ACF and custom post type. This is an important topic but very simple and easy to use. As I said in my previous video, WordPress has standard queries that are simple to use. Just copy, paste and change the variables as needed. We will also use ChatGPT for all types of queries, so no need to afraid. During this process, we will cover a lots of useful skills like custom theme creation, custom template, custom form, custom coding, and many more. I will include all the custom code in the video description so you can easily use it when converting any HTML template into WordPress. I will be creating 4 to 5 videos. So please make sure to watch the all videos to gain a good knowledge. So without further delay, let's get started.
Table of contents, header footer setting, main menu or navigation, theme panel, custom template creation, page and post settings, custom post type, custom and standard queries, ACF and contact form. I'm going to use XAMPP and WordPress already installed there. And this is our HTML template that we are going to convert into HTML. We have 5 to 6 pages here: home page, about us, services, teams, blogs, and contact us. So we will convert all pages into WordPress using ACF and custom post type. Before converting all pages, we need to create a custom theme. As you know, we are not going to use any WordPress free theme or any premium theme. Just we need to convert HTML template into WordPress, so we need to create a custom theme. So this is my WordPress on localhost, and I'm going to use NetBeans for managing projects or files. You can use any editor like Notepad, Notepad++, Visual Studio, Dreamweaver, but I'm going to use NetBeans and Notepad++. So you can see we have all files here. This is the WordPress standard files, and we have HTML, sorry, we have a themes under the WP content. This is the themes. So now let's create a custom theme. So you can copy any theme folder, like I'm going to use 2021. Just copy and paste. After this step, you need to rename the folder name. You can use any name, depend on you, but I'm going to use HTML to WordPress. After this one, open this one, then see the style file, style.css. Just comment first lines, maybe 8 to 10 lines, or you can use just just these lines, depend on you. Just copy, and I'm going to use remove everything, then paste here. 2 to 3 important things here. First, theme name. We are going to use custom theme, so you can use any name here. HTML to WordPress. Theme URL you can use, otherwise you can leave it as it. Author name, you can use your name if you have any team name, then you can use team name, but I'm going to use author name, Rohit Nagyaan. Here, description, you can write tested. This is the WordPress version, this is the PHP version. You can uh, write here your WordPress version like 1.1 or 4 or 5. uh, Tax domain 2021, you can use the same, no issue. Okay, save it. After this one, back to the WordPress dashboard and see the themes. Click here. We can say HTML to WordPress. So now you can activate this one. After this one, let's check the website. This is the websites, because we have removed previous CSS. Now we need to add our CSS. So first thing, we can use branding here, our brandings. If you have any business, then you can use the same uh, image related to your business as a screenshot here. I have one this one, so I'm going to use copy and paste here, and uh, this is the screenshot. Just rename it one, or rename this one PNG. Okay, now refresh. So this is the thumbnail for our custom theme. Rohit Nagyan by HTML to WordPress. This is the description. This is the tags. Nothing else. Everything is done here. This is the branding. So we need to use this one. We can delete uh, others theme. So this is the custom theme. This is the way for creating a custom theme. So now let's work on the header and footer, because header and footer is the most important part for any theme, and we need to integrate header and footer on all pages in a one shot. So here we have header and footer. These header and footer belongs to 2021 theme, but now we created a custom theme, so this is useless. So we need to use our HTML header and footer here. So let me open HTML theme, XAMPP docs HTML. This is the index file I'm going to use here. So this is the file, index file. So I'm going to use just header part, this one. You can copy entire header. This is the header. We can use at the top. Now we have pre-built function here, so we must use like WP head above the head part here, then this one body here, then you can remove everything. You can remove everything. So I remove everything here. So now save it, see the website. Still there is nothing. Okay, so now title, we don't need to use title here. If you have to, then you can remove, because it will call dynamically. And description and keywords, author. Okay, leave it. This one. Now we have a directory path. This one. Actually, I have a library for a custom code and standard code. So I will add all the custom code in the video description so you can use anytime convert when you convert any HTML template into WordPress like this one. So just you need to add here like this. But before doing this one, we need to use all folders here like CSS, JS and images. CSS, images and JS. If you have a same folder here, then you can just copy and paste inside the uh, associate folder. But we don't have, so just I'm going to use just copy and paste here. Done. Now we can add the directory path. We have CSS inside CSS folder, so we can use the same for every CSS. Now scroll, we have logo, so we can use here. I think we don't have more. Save it and scroll. Sorry, refresh. Like we have a screen with loading. It's a JS issue, so we need to work in the footer. This is the footer. So back to the index file. Let's remove this one. Back to the footer. Footer. This is the footer area. So we can just copy and paste here. Then directory path with the all files. This one, this one. If we have any images here, then we can add the directory path. Save it and refresh. So you can see we have header and footer here, but header and footer not dynamic, just static right now. So we need to make it dynamic. So let's work with the header and footer and make it dynamic. First thing, we have this thing, this thing. So let's work with the menu. For menu, we need to create pages. If you don't want to create pages, then we can create a custom links for now. Custom links in a menu here. So let's create a custom link. Sorry, menu name, main menu, create, then home page, and this is the custom link. About us, we can adjust hash. About us, add to menu, it will be add automatically. Then services, hash, services, team and blog, teams, blog, and contact us. Then save it, refresh, back to the header file. So this is the menu. This is the menu, and we have standard code for menu. This one. Just copy and paste here. Remember, if we have any ID or class in the UL, then we can simply copy and paste. If we have a class, then class. If we have ID, then ID, like this. If we have a both, then we can use both. Then you can remove everything here. Save. Next thing, we need to check the location, theme location, menu location. So this is the primary, then save. And primary we can use the same name. If you do inspect element, then you can see the menu location primary. If you want to check second one, then footer. So this one and this one, save it and refresh. You can see the hash. If you do inspect element, then you can see the WordPress menu here now. Okay, this is the header menu, and we have a same menu in the footer, so we can use the same code. Just copy and paste. This is the footer. We don't have any classes or IDs here in a UL, so we can use this one, remove, and we don't need to use this one. And we have a theme location or menu location footer. Refresh and save. Uh, we can use the both. Refresh, refresh. See, so navigation, footer and bottom, both navigation are dynamic now. If you would like to add any pages here, like we have a simple page already there. I think, let me check all themes. This is a simple sample page and privacy policy. So we can just open menus and add sample page at the bottom, refresh and save. Sorry, refresh. Sample page, sample page. This is a sample page. So now let's work on other thing. For managing logos and upper part and footer part, we need to create a custom theme setting. For custom theme setting, we need to use functions.php file. This is the important file. We need to create all custom codes, custom code in function.php. If you have or you are using any premium theme, then you need to create a child theme. Then you can write your code into the child theme. Child theme already has a functions.php file. If you update your premium theme, then you can't lose your custom code because you have child theme. So uh, for this reason, we need to use child theme. We will create child theme uh, in other video. No issue. I will explain everything. So this is the theme setting code. Just copy and paste. Save it. In the menu, we don't have any theme setting right now. So just refresh. You can see the theme panel. Click here. We have options here: phone number, fax, email, address, and this is simply customization code. So you can customize this code easily. You can add any input type, checkbox, radio button, or you can remove. So first thing, let's upload logo. This is the logo library. We can use here. We have logo. We must. This is the logo. Upload phone number. We can use same number. Email. Let's use same email. Sample address. We have address. This one. Facebook. Let's say facebook.com, and Twitter and LinkedIn. Twitter, it's X, LinkedIn, this one, and I think we have Instagram at the footer. Okay, we have. Then Instagram. Just copy and Instagram. Footer about us. This one. Just copy, paste, and copyright. Copy. 24. This is 25. I think nothing else. And save changes. So this is the footer setting, sorry, theme setting. Now we need to call this code in on the front end. So first, let's call phone number. In a theme setting, we have standard code like this one, so you can just use copy and header here, paste. Then phone, then email, just copy and paste. Here, Facebook, Facebook, copy, paste. Twitter, this one, copy and paste. LinkedIn, this one, and this one. We have Instagram, so just copy this line and here, and Instagram link for Instagram, this one, Instagram. Save. We have logo, logo here. We have a logo code already here. This is the logo. You can use here same, and you can use logo at the top or bottom, anywhere. I'm going to use here. Just this is the variable. You can use just logo and display here equal logo. For home page, we have a code php equal home URL. Save, save. Okay, refresh. We have email, phone number, Instagram link here, logo. If you want to use any other logo here for the checking, click here. We can use we can use for example this one, Panto 7. Use it, update and reload. See, but I'm going to use just logo for now. It was just for testing. Okay, header part is completely dynamic now. So let's work on the footer. Footer contact us. This is the footer. So we can function file and let's copyright footer. This is the copyright. Then email, email, phone number, phone number. This is the address. You can match the variables address, phone, emails here. This is the address, email, and phone. Okay. Now we have this one, footer about us. This is the footer about us. Just copy and paste. Now Facebook we have already here. Just copy, paste. Twitter, copy, paste, copy, paste, and one more. Instagram, copy and paste. Save it. So in the footer, navigation done, contact us done, and about us done. So just one thing pending, latest post. As you remember, uh, if you remember, we have standard queries in a WordPress. So I'm going to use same. So this is the query, custom query. Just copy, and we need to recognize the divs. Repeating this one. Okay, this is repeating div. So you can remove all divs, just keep one. Paste code above the div and below the closing div. So now we are going to use post. Post, we need to use to, date. This is the order. This is the query. This is the featured image code. So now we can use this code, this variable here. This is for image. Now this is the title. Remove php the title, and we have permalink. php the permalink. Nothing else. Save and refresh. First thing, we need to add post with images. All images hello world. Okay, let me open hello world and add a featured image. I'm going to use this one. Save it, update, Let me add one more testing featured image, upload, minor set, and publish. Back to the main page. Here, see, we have image and title here. We can add the testing, we can use other developer, developer testing, save and update. So developer testing. If this is the one important thing here, in a latest WordPress version has block editor. This is the block editor. So you need to use block editor. If you don't want to use block editor for avoid the confusion, I have code for two line. This one you can just copy and paste in the function.php file. Save and refresh. Reload. Now you can see the simple editor, title and everything. Featured image. So this is the simple way. Reload. This is the second navigation. So let's work on this one. Remember, we already used two navigation. So primary, I'm going to use primary on a footer. This one, primary, refresh, then secondary. Create a new menu, bottom menu, create. We have FAQs. Just going to use custom links, not the dynamic or pages for now. Privacy, hash and privacy. Then we have policy, has policy and support, support and secondary. Make it secondary. Save it. Then just copy the code and scroll. This is the footer. Here we have class. This one just copy and paste here and remove this one. Theme location was footer, if you remember. Then refresh. If you want to add any pages here, like home page and simple, just for testing, click here, home sample, save, back to the websites and reload. Home sample page, FAQ, privacy policy. So we have created header and footer, and both part are dynamic, 100% dynamic. So you can convert any HTML template into WordPress just for header and footer for now, because we just created header and footer. In the next video, we will work on the home page. We will complete the home page like this with ACF and custom post type. So I'm going to add all custom code in the video description so you can easily use it. So guys, keep watching, Keep learning and I'll catch you in next video.